poetic yet destructive.
Okay, look where the river's meant to be.
That's all you can.
Look where the river's meant to be. It's a good 2 fields.
Jesus Christ.
Tim the monkey man.
Uh-oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we explored. Me and Phoenix explored the abandoned stables. Yes, that's right, the abandoned stables is completely underwater. Honestly, Snaith and everywhere, Ghoul everywhere is going to be like so close to fully underwater this way. It's just, we're literally trapped inside where the water's coming from, and if I zoom in, I'm pretty sure there, like this bit here is where the dam's broke, so all the water is coming through there. That is where the dam's broke, and you can see the water flowing. This is a road, as you can see this is a road. It's not as deep, but it's filling up quite fast. Wow.